So, how's your night going tonight?
Very good. I'm very impressed. I had no idea that this was what it was all about. None at all. And I even got to drive the little robot in there, so that was special. So,
Thank you for stopping by and letting us interview you.
thank you very much. I'm very impressed with all of you. You've done a great job.
Thank you. So, what prompted you to become a sponsor?
I just love these types of programs and have supported it a few times over the years, and I'm on the school board, so I pay attention and feel like I like to sponsor in that regard too, support you.
Are you from around here?
Yes, I live in Port Huron. I've lived here for all of my adult life, and I had two sons that went through the schools too. They're adult sons now.
Do you have any tips for aspiring programmers?
I think you're doing a great job. It's this is new to me. I mean, not new this year. I have been paying attention for about 7 years now, and following the teams. But I don't work with robotics, so I can say though I think it's good you're doing things like this and organizing these events. And you guys did a great job tonight. Really enjoyed it, especially driving that Minion around.
Well, thank you. So, do you plan on continuing to be a sponsor?
Yes.
Okay. Well, thank you for your time, and I hope you have a good night.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
So, what prompted you to become a sponsor?
Well, Amy, longtime friend and colleague, we've worked together. And Tyler, I've known since he was just a young guy. And I really appreciate what they do, and I'm happy to be here tonight.
So do you plan to continue to be a sponsor?
I think I'll have to.
So, are you from around here?
I live in Port Huron, yes I do.
Did you go to any of the high schools, the PH or
No,
PH?
I grew up in Grand Rapids.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
On behalf of the Blue Water Areas Kiwanis Club.
So what prompted you guys to become a sponsor?
Well, we have been involved with this program because my grandchildren have been involved with this program for a number of years, and we just like to what's going on. I mean, we like to see the technology being put to use, and we thought it was something that was going to be very beneficial, not only for the young people, but for the community as a whole.
So, do you see any potential candidates for being hired to your company?
Oh, most definitely, most definitely. Technology is the wave of the future. I mean, even the stuff that we're talking about seeing today in 18 months is going to be obsolete. What about 36, 48? I mean, you carry that out to 5 years, and the stuff that we're doing today is going to be somewhere in a museum because it's an antique. If you got to stay on top of technology, or are you just going to be like the dinosaurs and dry up and die?
Okay. So, are you from around here?
Yes, I am. I live right here in Port Huron.
Did you go to any of the high schools, the Port Huron or Port Huron Northern?
Went to Port Huron High. Yeah.
Nice. So, do you have any tips for any aspiring engineers?
Do I have or know any aspiring engineers?
Or any tips for?
Oh, any tips? Yeah, work hard. That's all there is to it. I mean, when you're first breaking into an industry or technology, everything is kind of a challenge. But once you master that foundation, you'd be surprised how much easier everything comes.
Well, thank you for your time tonight.
Well, thank you very much for the interview. Appreciate it.
Thank you. What company do you work for?
I am the mayor of the city of Port Huron.